boat to the moon tonight. Waters glow with silver light. Stars above wink as you glide. Soft waves rocking side to side. Owls fly by with gentle hoot. Lanterns glow in silver suit. The moon smiles wide, a friend so true, guiding your boat through skies of blue. Drift along in sleepy tune. Dreams await beneath the moon. Row your boat, you'll get there soon. Child laughing softly. Row your boat to the moon tonight. Waters glow with silver light. Stars above wink as you glide. Soft waves rocking side to side. Owls fly by with gentle hoot. Lanterns glow in silver suit. The moon smiles wide, a friend so true, guiding your boat through skies of blue. Drift along in sleepy tune. Dreams await beneath the moon. Row your boat, you'll get there soon. Baba, golden sheep so bright, wool that sparkled in the light. It ran across the sunny hill, making everyone feel a thrill. Golden fleece that shone so warm, glinting rays took every form. Children hugged and played all day, magic wool chased clouds away. Even stars seemed bright and near, when golden sheep was always here. Joy and shine spread far and clear. Baba, golden sheep so bright, wool that sparkled in the light. It ran across the sunny hill, making everyone feel a thrill. Golden fleece that shone so warm, glinting rays took every form. Children hugged and played all day, magic wool chased clouds away. Even stars seemed bright and near, when golden sheep was always here. Joy and shine spread far and clear. Georgie Porgy baked a pie, chocolate pudding piled up high. He stirred it gently with a spoon and hummed a happy little tune. The crust was golden, warm and sweet, a perfect snack for all to eat. He sprinkled nuts and whipped cream too, and tasted just a little goo. The pudding wobbled with delight, kids clapped their hands in pure delight. Georgie's pie was such a sight. Georgie Porgy baked a pie, chocolate pudding piled up high. He stirred it gently with a spoon and hummed a happy little tune. The crust was golden, warm and sweet, a perfect snack for all to eat. He sprinkled nuts and whipped cream too, and tasted just a little goo. The pudding wobbled with delight, kids clapped their hands in pure delight. Georgie's pie was such a sight.
All right, kids. Who wants a slice of delicious...
Yankee Doodle's big show begins. Drums and trumpets, joyful spins. Flags wave high and banners sway. Cheering crowds all shout Horses prance and dancers twirl, confetti flies in bright swirl. Cupcakes, balloons, and music loud. Excitement spreads across the crowd. The sun shines down, the sky aglow. Everyone joins the big show. Yankee Doodle's big show begins. Drums and trumpets, joyful spins. Flags wave high and banners sway. Cheering crowds all shout, hooray! Horses prance and dancers twirl. Confetti flies in bright swirl. Cupcakes, balloons, and music loud. Excitement spreads across the crowd. The sun shines down, the sky aglow. Everyone joins the big show. Yay! Miss Muffet sat upon her tuffet when the spider came to make a buffet. But it didn't frighten, didn't bite. It danced with her in morning light, twists and spins upon the floor. Feet went tap and hands did soar. They wiggle under sun so bright, spinning webs of pure delight. Laughter echoed through the room, flowers bloomed in full perfume. Spider dance chased all the gloom. Miss Muffet sat upon her tuffet when the spider came to make a buffet. But it didn't frighten, didn't bite. It danced with her in morning light, twists and spins upon the floor. Feet went tap and hands did soar. They wiggle under sun so bright, spinning webs of pure delight. Laughter echoed through the room, flowers bloomed in full perfume. Spider dance chased all the gloom. Cake party, bells chime, mix and stare in perfect rhyme. Floor flies and sugar spins, laughter grows and fun begins. Rolling pins go thumpity thump, cakes rise high with every bump. Frosting swirls in rainbow hues, candies topple with happy news. Everyone claps, the cakes are done. Smiles are wide and lots of fun. Pat a cake party for everyone. Pat a cake party, bells chime, mix and stare in perfect rhyme. Floor flies and sugar spins, laughter grows and fun begins. Rolling pins go thumpity thump, cakes rise high with every bump. Frosting swirls in rainbow hues, candies topple with happy news. Everyone claps, the cakes are done. Smiles are wide and lots of fun. Pat a cake party for everyone. Baby dreams on a cloud so white, floating softly through the night. Stars above twinkle and gleam, whispering secrets into a dream. Moonbeams dance on silver lace, smiles of angels fill the space. Clouds sway Soft winds hum a lullaby tune, cradling baby under the moon. Sleepy eyes rest till morning soon. The wheels on the train go round and round, chugging along without a sound. Steam pops up in puffs of white, carriages glow in morning light. Tunnels zoom with echoes deep, mountains rise and rivers leap. Passengers wave as trees go by, birds fly high across the sky. Whistle blows, the tracks all hum, clickety-clack goes drum by drum. Train adventure has begun. The wheels on the train go round and round, chugging along without a sound. Steam pops up in puffs of white, carriages glow in morning light. Tunnels zoom with echoes deep, mountains rise and rivers leap. Passengers wave as trees go by, birds fly high across the sky. Whistle blows, the tracks all hum, clickety-clack goes drum by drum. Train adventure has begun. Simple Simon went to the fair. Market stalls were bright and rare, fruits and veggies stacked up high. Candy shining caught his eye. He waved to sellers passing by. Birds above began to fly, baskets filled with treats so sweet. Walking through the busy street, smiles and laughter everywhere. Sunshine sparkled in his hair. Simple Simon had fun to share. Simple Simon went to the fair. Market stalls were bright and rare, fruits and veggies stacked up high. Candy shining caught his eye. He waved to sellers passing by. Birds above began to fly, baskets filled with treats so sweet. Walking through the busy street, smiles and laughter everywhere. Sunshine sparkled in his hair. Simple Simon had fun to share. Blue and bouncing everywhere, yellow twirled with sparkling gleam, green hopped lightly in a dream, orange swirled with joyful cheer. Purple spun and wiggled near, colors danced across the sky, making rainbows way up high. Each pop made giggle sound, colors laughed and spun around. Pop goes the color up and down.
Wow, pretty! I want to touch it.
Blue and bouncing everywhere, yellow twirled with sparkling gleam, green hopped lightly in a dream, orange swirled with joyful cheer. Purple spun and wiggled near, colors danced across the sky, making rainbows way up high. Each pop made giggle sound, colors lapped and spun around. Pop goes the color up and down. Oh, Itsy! Itsy bitsy spider climbed glistening like gold overhead. Ladybugs waved as it passed by. Bees buzzed low, butterflies high. Spiders swung through leaves so green, shining in the sunlit sea. It built a web with perfect care, catching dewdrops sparkling there. Garden home beyond compare. The farmer soared above the land with clouds of white beneath his hand. He plowed the sky with golden beams and planted seeds of cotton dreams. Birds flew past with cheerful cries. The sun shone bright in blue skies. He watered clouds with gentle rain, then danced along a rainbow lane. Stars blinked softly as he passed by. The farmer laughed up in the sky. His sky farm shone for all nearby. The farmer soared above the land with clouds of white beneath his hand. He plowed the sky with golden beams and planted seeds of cotton dreams. Birds flew past with cheerful cries. The sun shone bright in blue skies. He watered clouds with gentle rain, then danced along a rainbow lane. Stars blinked softly as he passed by. The farmer laughed up in the sky. His sky farm shone for all nearby. Diddle diddle, star band plays, twinkling tunes and skyward rays. Moon joins in with silver beat, while planets dance on tiny feet. Comets twirl in sparkling arcs, meteor showers leave bright sparks. The cats strum strings of cosmic tune, owls hoot softly beneath the moon. Every note shines far and near, music sparkles for all to hear. Diddle biddle, star band cheer. Diddle diddle, star band plays, twinkling tunes and skyward rays. Moon joins in with silver beat, while planets dance on tiny feet. Comets twirl in sparkling arcs, meteor showers leave bright sparks. The cats strum strings of cosmic tune, owls hoot softly beneath the moon. Every note shines far and near, music sparkles for all to hear. Diddle biddle, star band cheer. Willy Winky ran through night, chasing stars that twinkled bright. He leapt from hill to hill with cheer, as constellations drew him near. Moonbeams bounced beneath his feet, and comets raced to match his beat. He waved to planets passing by, and caught a falling star in sky. The night sparkled with every run, until the first rays of the sun. Willy Winky's star chase was fun. Willy Winky ran through night, chasing stars that twinkled bright. He leapt from hill to hill with cheer, as constellations drew him near. Moonbeams bounced beneath his feet, and comets raced to match his beat. He waved to planets passing by, and caught a falling star in sky. The night sparkled with every run, until the first rays of the sun. Willy Winky's star chase was fun. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, shining Planets twirl in cosmic play. Shooting stars light up the way. Aliens peek with eyes so wide, watching stardust swirl and glide. Nebulas glow in purple streams, filling up our nightly dreams. Twinkle on with sparkling beams. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, shining bright from very far. Galaxies spin with light so new. Comets dance across the blue. Planets twirl in cosmic play. Shooting stars light up the way. Aliens peek with eyes so wide, watching stardust swirl and glide. Nebulas glow in purple streams, filling up our nightly dreams. Twinkle on with sparkling beams.
Oh, the
The
smell is
Muffin
just
Man hummed
wonderful.
a tune while baking cakes that smelled like June.
magic.
Chocolate chips and
how
sugar
sparkly
sweet
they
popped
are.
from
Yes,
ovens
just like
warm to
magic.
eat. Who's scared and whisked with happy cheer, mixing flavors far and near. The muffins rose, the pies did glow, and smells of breakfast started to show. Customers danced the morning bright, with treats to munch and smiles in sight. The Muffin Man sang with pure delight. The Muffin Man hummed a tune while baking cakes that smelled like June. Chocolate chips and sugar sweet popped from ovens warm to eat. Who's scared and whisked with happy cheer, mixing flavors far and near. The muffins rose, the pies did glow, and smells of breakfast started to show. Customers danced the morning bright, with treats to munch and smiles in
Wow,
sight.
look at
The
this.
Muffin Man sang with pure
delicious.
delight. 3 little mice ran down the lane, dodging raindrops, hopping in rain. They squeaked and giggled through the grass, chasing shadows as they passed. Cheese crumbs led them on their way. I'd been to waiting every day. They tumbled over tiny logs and peeked at frogs hiding in bogs. The sun went down, the sky turned pink. They paused to sip a little drink. 3 mice on the run had time to. 3 little mice ran down the lane, dodging raindrops, hopping in rain. They squeaked and giggled through the grass, chasing shadows as they passed. Cheese crumbs led them on their way. I'd been to waiting every day. They tumbled over tiny logs and peeked at frogs hiding in bogs. The sun went down, the sky turned pink. They paused to sip a little drink. 3 mice on the run had time to. Jack be nimble, Jack be fast. He jumped the candles and he passed over fences, through the lane. He twirled and landed without a strain. Crowds all cheered as Jack did leap and tumbled softly in a heap. Candles flickered, sparks did fly. Jack raced quickly, oh so spry. He twinkled bright with every arm until he reached the finish ground. Jack the nimble winner found.
That was fun!
Jack be nimble, Jack be fast. He jumped the candles and he passed Over fences, through the lane, he twirled and landed without a strain. Crowds all cheered as Jack did leap and tumbled softly in a heap. Candles flickered, sparks did fly. Jack raced quickly, oh so spry. He twinkled bright with every bound until he reached the finish ground. Jack the nimble winner found. Mary planted flowers bright, roses, tulips, pure delight. Butterflies danced in the air, bees buzzed gently everywhere. Sunflowers stretched up to the sun, while tiny seeds became new fun. Colors twirled in breezy streams, filling gardens with happy dreams. Mary smiled at blooms so grand, she watered each with gentle hand. A dazzling of wonder filled the land. Mary planted flowers bright, roses, tulips, pure delight. Butterflies danced in the air, bees buzzed gently everywhere. Sunflowers stretched up to the sun, while tiny seeds became new fun. Colors twirled in breezy streams, filling gardens with happy dreams. Mary smiled at blooms so grand, she watered each with gentle hand. A dazzling of wonder filled the land. Mary planted flowers bright, roses, tulips, pure delight. Butterflies danced in the air, bees buzzed gently everywhere. Sunflowers stretched up to the sun, while tiny seeds became new fun. Colors twirled in breezy streams, filling gardens with happy dreams. Mary smiled at blooms so grand, she watered each with gentle hand. A dazzling of wonder filled the land. Mary had a lamp so bright, silver fur that shone with light. It danced around the meadow green, the sparkliest lamp you've ever seen. It twirled around in morning dew, kicking up drops of silver hue. Children clapped and laughed with cheer, watching magic lamp appear. Mary smiled from ear to ear, dreams of silver always near. Long and Larry, joy so clear. Mary had a lamp so bright, silver fur that shone with light. It danced around the meadow green, the sparkliest lamp you've ever seen. It twirled around in morning dew, kicking up drops of silver hue. Children clapped and laughed with cheer, watching magic lamp appear. Mary smiled from ear to ear, dreams of silver always near. Long and Larry, joy so clear. 5 little monkeys in rocket race, zooming high through outer space. One spun circles around the moon, another danced to a cosmic tune. One caught stars in a silver net, another waved at a flying jet. The 5th monkey laughed so loud, floating happily on a cloud. They played with comets, soon past Mars, twinkling planets and shining stars. 5 little monkeys in rocket race, zooming high through outer space. One spun circles around the moon, another danced to a cosmic tune. One caught stars in a silver net, another waved at a flying jet. The 5th monkey laughed so loud, floating happily on a cloud. They played with comets, soon past Mars, twinkling planets and shining stars. Humpty then soared away into the sky. With a red balloon to lift him free, he floated past a buzzing bee. Clouds like cotton passed him by. Birds flew close and waved high. He drifted o'er the rivers wide, holding tight and enjoying the ride. Below he saw the village small, waving friends and people all. Humpty laughed the best of all. Humpty climbed a wall so high, then soared away into the sky. With a red balloon to lift him free, he floated past a buzzing bee. Clouds like cotton passed him
what
by.
a wonderful little town down there!
Birds flew close and waved high. He drifted o'er the rivers wide, holding tight and enjoying the ride. Below he saw the village small, waving friends and people all. Humpty laughed. Hot cross buns came from the tray, golden brown and warm to stay. Cinnamon swirled through each one, frosting glimmered in the sun. Kids lined up to taste the treat, sprinkles sparkling soft and sweet. The baker hummed a happy song as buns went fast and didn't stay long. Laughter filled the bakery air, buns for everyone, joy to share. The hot cross buns brought happy care. Hot cross buns came from the tray, golden brown and warm to stay. Cinnamon swirled through each one, frosting glimmered in the sun. Kids lined up to taste the treat, sprinkles sparkling soft and sweet. The baker hummed a happy song as buns went fast and didn't stay long. Laughter filled the bakery air, buns for everyone, joy to share. The hot cross buns brought happy